Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Capture USB. First, connect your Easy Capture USB device to an available USB 2.0 port on your computer. Next, install the necessary software, either from the included disk or by downloading it from the manufacturer's website. Then, connect your analog video source, such as a VCR or camcorder, to the capture device using the appropriate cables. Make sure all connections are firm and secure before proceeding. Once the device is connected, launch the Easy Capture software. You will need to select your video input source from the available options within the program's interface. This ensures the software recognizes your connected device. Then, choose your preferred video format, like MPEG-2 or AVI, and adjust the quality settings. Finding the right balance here helps manage file size while maintaining good visual fidelity for your captured footage. With your settings configured, you can now preview your video feed directly in the software window. This allows you to check the picture and sound before you start. When you are ready, simply click the record button to begin capturing your video. It is important to monitor the recording progress and audio levels throughout the process. Once your content has finished playing, click Stop to finalize the capture. After stopping the recording, your captured video file will be saved to a designated folder on your computer. It is a good practice to rename this file immediately for better organization and easy retrieval later. You can then export your video into different formats, making it suitable for sharing online or further editing. For long-term preservation, always consider backing up your valuable captured videos to an external hard drive or cloud storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.